share something with you today. If, like me, you amass hundreds and hundreds of matching bobbins and you need to stop them from unravelling, these little silicone thread keepers are quite expensive when you need so many. So I'm going to share with you a really cheap alternative that, in my opinion, works much better, and I've gone over to it now. All you will need is some aquarium tubing, which you can get from most hardware shops, and this is 15mm. It's quite a thick one. 15mm is 5/8 of an inch, and a pair of scissors, preferably not your fabric scissors. All you need to do is cut off 1/4 of an inch, oops, and then you're going to slice down. Then you're going to take your bobbin and place it over, whoops, it's jumping out my fingers, I'm all fingers and thumbs, and then place that over the top. And there you have it, a perfect thread keeper. And it doesn't matter whether it's really full or even really empty, it holds them beautifully. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos as they're published. Do pop along to Creative Kiwi's Facebook group, there's lots of ideas, help and inspiration there for everybody. And thank you very much for joining me.